This video is brought to you by Vantrue Dashcams. Their N4 Pro is one half of the setup you regularly see in my videos, which has excellent quality footage, and even more stunning nighttime footage. Use this code on screen for money off until the 16th of September, and please find links to a selection of their dashcams in the description.
Bagel tear? What are you about, tear?
What are you doing? You could have just gone. What's she doing? What? You could have just gone. If you're in the middle of the road and the light turns red, just clear.
Whoa! What? Well, he nearly run that bike over. He didn't look in the slightest.
No.
You earned a bronze medal.
No, bro. Fucking arse.
Oh, fucking hell. What are you doing? Yeah, I'm not surprised he's not happy with you. What were you doing trying to overtake there?
Video
Other than
protected.
because you're purposely trying to be a crank.
And taking it to the next level is exciting. And
Okay,
NatWest's
whoa,
dedicated team could support
dickhead.
you all the way.
Why are you walking in the road, sir? What's wrong with the fucking pavement? Honestly. What are you doing? Go on, get on with it then. Get on with it then. Get on with it then. Wow.
Watch out, watch out, watch out!
This is Nightmare Junction.
Lol.
Will you fucking pull out in front of somebody, you bug arsehole? You fucking arsehole!
Video protected.
How dare you?
Hey viewers, I've got a joke for you. What does Homer Simpson say
when he realises that he's bought a Fiat 500.
Birds. How do you get from birds to giant underwater?
Think bike, my
What they do is only one bit.
Facts, thank you so much for listening. If you'd like to get in contact with any of us about the things that we have said over the course of this podcast, we can all be found on our Twitter account.
That was fucking stupid.
Looking at us, Spot.
Got a funny feeling these are going to stop for the red light. Called it, didn't I?
I like how we have one lane on the left hand side for dogs and then something comes in. Fucking twat!
Why don't you just start playing over shit? Fucking hell, you stop that? I don't know, wait till the bloody light's on, Red. Fucking drive off.
Nope.
What the fuck? Well, everyone's ignored it.
What the fuck are you doing? You're in the wrong fucking lane, you prick.
So they can see when we got paid and it's proof of address. You idiot! Got a new dog
Oh yeah,
instead.
do just push yourself out.
I know.
Wow. Do you see what he had on his bonnet as well?
No.
Yeah, I spotted him the other day actually.
dear.
Get shamed in the comments for having a on your grill.
Whoa, I wouldn't do that, mate. Flipping heck.
Semi late!